nerve cell form the brain and spinal cord. Okay, and the first type cell neuron, it is the main part that main cell that form the brain and spinal cord. No, neuron consists of the three main parts. One is called the dendrite, is a hair-like, receive the message, transfer into the cytone. Cytone is also called the cell body beta. What is that? Cytone is also called cell body. Okay, and in which the nucleus is present and the cytoplasm is present, that is called the neuroplasm, and the granules are present, that is called the nasal granule. Nasal granules are related with the protein synthesis because in which RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, is related. So it's related with the protein formations. Yes, cytone function, it is also called the cell body. What is the function of cytone? Give me answer. What is the function of cytone?
Convert message into impulse.
Yes, right. What is the impulse? What is the impulse?
Electrical signal.
Electrical signals are called the impulse. Okay,
Electric
right.
signals.
Listen. Now the third part is called the axon. Axon is the longest part. Okay, and transfer impulse away from the cytone into the muscles or glands. Where the impulse is transferred, in muscles or in glands. Video बंद करो बेटा आप अपना. This is the one type of nervous system cell. Second type of nervous system cell. Tell me the name. Give me name of second type of nervous system cell.
Neuroglia.
Neuroglia. Yes, neuroglia. Where it is present?
Brain, spinal cord, or eyes retina.
Okay, what is the function of neuroglia? Listen me. It gives the nutrition to the nerve cell or phagocytic in nature. What is the function of neuroglia? It gives a nutrient to nerve cell. It provides a nutrient to the nerve cell or phagocytic in nature. What is the meaning of phagocytic, beta? Beta, आपकी वीडियो बंद करो. What is the nature of phagocytic? Phagocytic means engulfs the germs. Phagocytic means निगल जाना. Means the neuroglia is a phagocytic in nature, engulfs germs. वीडियो ये शेयर कर रहे हैं आप. वीडियो वाले ऑप्शन प्रेस करो बेटा. आपकी फोटो आ रही है इधर. बंद करो. आप कौन है? Yes, listen me. उसके बाद में थर्ड टाइप ऑफ nervous system cell. What is the name?
Neurosecret.
Neurosecretory cell. What is the function?
Secret neurohormones.
Neurohormone that help in conduction of the impulse. Now the fourth type of cell is called
Ependymal.
ependymal. Where it is present? Which shape?
Brain and spinal cord cavity.
Brain and spinal cord.
Okay. And it is a ciliated and help in move to cerebellum. It is a ciliated move cerebellum in move cerebrospinal fluid. It is ciliated move cerebrospinal fluid in brain cavity or spinal cavity. Yes, any doubt? You can ask me question. Now the next last question is that what is that? What is the function of nervous system? What is the function of nervous system? Yes, Vikram. What is the function of nervous
It
system?
transfer blood from to all part of the body.
No. The blood transportation takes place by the connective tissue blood. Listen me. The nervous system transport impulse in different parts of the body. What is the function? Nervous system transport impulse in different part of the body, human being body. Okay, listen carefully. Yes, any doubt? You can ask me question again. Impulse transfer by the nervous system in different part of the body.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Then what is
Neuron
tissue
system
fluid?
coordinates the sense organ. One more function. Neuron system coordinate. Listen me again. Neuron system coordinate the sense organ and muscles. Two functions are there. Neuron system coordinates sense, organ and muscle. Second, transport impulse in different part of the body. Okay. Now, no doubt. Okay. Now, today topic I am taking here. What is the new chapter name? That is improvement in food resources. What is our chapter name? Improvement in food resources. Listen me, beta. Improvement in food resources. Okay, listen me. You know what is a food? What is a food? Anybody else give me answer? What is a food? What is a food? Anybody else give me answer? Yes, listen me. Food is an
What?
organic substance. मेरा video बंद करो. Food is an organic substance. What is it mean? Mute करो mic, आवाज बहुत आ रही है. Food is an organic substance. Okay, and food is consist of carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals, and protein. Food is consist of carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals, and protein. Okay, listen me. Why we require, why animals require food? Why living being require food? Yes, give me answer. Yes. अपना mic mute करो. Why living being require the food? Give me answer.
For energy.
For energy, because the food give us energy, and energy is compulsory for doing work. That's why food is required by all living beings. You know, our population continuously increases. What is that? Our population continuously increases. So facing, we all are facing scarcity of the food. What is that? Scarcity of the food is produced. That scarcity of food solved by revolution. What is that? Revolution. That scarcity is solved by the food revolution. And the different types of the food revolution is there. The first is called the green revolution. Fourth, increase in food grain. Yani, for solve our population continuously increasing, solving population or we are facing the food scarcity. Food problem is solved by the revolution, the green revolution. What is the green revolution, beta? Increase in food grain production. In green revolution, food grain production is increased by using hybrid varieties of the grain. By using hybrid variety of the grain. Okay. Now next, the next revolution comes, that is called the blue revolution. What is that? Blue revolution. For increase in fish production. What is that? For increase in fish production. You know, fish production, you know, the number of peoples are depend on the fish for food. So it is compulsory. The fish production is also increased. Now the next is called, that is a white revolution. White revolution, in which for increase in the milk production. For what the white product revolution is there? For increasing milk productions. And then yellow revolution. What is the yellow revolution? For increasing in oil production. So
For increasing
you know
oil
now very
production.
well, for increasing production, for solving scarcity of the food, the different types of revolution, food revolution take place in India. Green revolution for the increasing grain. For example, wheat, rice, maize. Yellow revolution for increasing the oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil. And white revolution for increasing the milk productions. And the blue revolution for increasing the fish productions. Okay, any doubt? अपनी वीडियो बंद करना. Any doubt, you can ask me question.
No, ma'am.
Now I am taking importance of food. Why the food is important? Now I am taking topic, importance of the food. You know, food, why the food is important? Act as a respiratory fuel. Food act as a respiratory fuel. What is the function of food? act as a respiratory fuel. During the respiration process, food breaks down and produce the energy. So what is breakdown? Carbohydrate, fat breakdown and give us energy. That's the first important topic. Second, food provide material for the synthesis of the new protoplasm. Food provide material for the synthesis of new protoplasm. First, I already taught you what is that. Food is compulsory because it works as a respiratory substrate and give us energy. Second, food provide material for synthesis of new protoplasm. Example, protein for body building. It is also compulsory for body building. Now, next I am taking, what is that? Listen me, the third, food protect from the disease. What is the function of the food? Protect from the disease. How can protect from the disease? We are using the different types of the vegetable and fruit. What is present in vegetable and fruit? Vegetable and fruits are called the disease resistant food. Give us resistance against disease. Okay, so these all are called the bodybuilding foods are the protein and vegetables and minerals are protect from the disease. उसके अलावा the food also help in repair of the worn out tissue. What is the function, beta? Food also help in repair of worn out tissue. What is the meaning of worn out or injured body part? Worn out means damaging tissue or injured body part. If we have any injury on that time, that injury or the body parts are repaired by the food. And food is also compulsory for formation of different types of the enzyme, different types of the hormones. Yes, beta. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, any doubt, you can ask me question.
What is the last point? Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, what is this
What is
function
the
of food?
What is the function of food? Yes. What is your
No,
question,
ma'am,
beta? Last function. Listen to me. It helps in repair of worn out tissue. Food help in repair of worn out tissue. यानी टूटे हुए tissues को help करता, worn out करता है. Worn out tissue repair by the food. Or the food also help in worn out tissue or injured tissues are okay by the food. Yes, any doubt? Yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now I am taking the crop production topic. Up now, you know, we are talking about the increasing of the production. You know the true cereal. What are the true cereals? Anybody else give me answer? True cereal. True cereal example is a wheat, rice, maize, bajra. Okay. What are the example of the true cereal? Wheat, rice, maize, and bajra. Now I am taking what are the advantages of the cereals? What are the advantages of the cereal? First, cereals contain high amount of carbohydrate. What are the advantages of the cereal? Cereal contains high amount of carbohydrate. Or use the carbohydrate give us energy. And cereal energy energy is complete. Second point, due to the low water contains, due to the low water content, grain can easily stored for long time. In grain, low water content.
Ma'am, your microphone is muted.
Listen me. Again, I am taking cereals, you know. So what are the advantages of cereal? The first advantage, give in cereal carbohydrate present that give us energy. And the secondly, it is also in which the cereal low content of water is present, so easily stored for long time. Okay. Now I am taking the pulses. You know the pulses is also come in the food production. What are the example of pulses? Anybody else give me answer? What are the example of pulses?
Peas,
Gram,
No, gram, green gram,
Black gram,
gram, green,
lentil,
moong gram.
chickpea,
Yes. What are the example? You know, black gram, जैसे उड़द दाल, green gram, moong dal, gram, chana, and season pea, arhar dal. Yes. And the next is lentil, that is called the masoor dal. Many different types of the pulses example we have. You listen me. What is the use of pulses? Why the pulses are important? Because pulses give us protein. In pulses, protein present. And what is the function of protein? Anybody else give me answer? What is the protein?